All right, this is going to be an Arctic Fox 811. It's going to have a slide on it. It's kind of same length, I think, as our 865, but it's actually got a slide on it on the right-hand side if you're coming in the back. Also, it's all conditions unit, 4 seasons, because it's an Arctic Fox. And of course, it's got the Fox landing. But once you come in on the 811, you have the wet bath to the left, the dinette that actually folds down into a bed here to the right, and that's on the slide out, which slides out. You got your refrigerator, freezer, also in the slide out. Trina, what else you got up here?
You got a Furon microwave. This one is not a confectioner oven. This one's just a microwave. This one does not have the oven, but it does have the range. And that's an option that you can, or you can add to it. Just like our 865, this one has the big, huge, deep sink. Your control panel, obviously, plenty of storage here. And I'm not a representative of Northwood or Arctic Fox, but look.
You're in the skylight. Step to the side, it's the same.
Yeah, look, so I need to find
this is the ceiling height
that fits on the back of
we
the hose
continually refer to that we love. It's just huge in here. Even though this one has a slide out and ours does not. But just the height alone makes it huge.
I don't even know.
Like I can get it.
I know.
And here's the other thing.
It's the most popular one out there.
Look.
Nowhere near hitting your head.
Nowhere near.
Like you can't even sit up and make your on your knees.
This is me on my knees. This is me sitting on my feet in the bed. I mean, you just got, look, you could sit up here and have a conversation. And it's just nice. Big, huge TV, storage, and that's about how deep it is.
All the way to your elbow, just about?
Just about. It's about right there. That's how deep it is. Storage. Mood lighting.
That's kind of the same as ours, really.
Yeah. And they probably don't have any power, but...
So you got the Max Air fan above your head?
Yes. Love Max Air fan. You have this divider here if you wanted to separate the two.
We actually removed ours, which we didn't have, you know, obviously, you know, our camper doesn't have that big of a space. And if you don't know that, then we have 2 videos. Actually go check out either our tour of our 865 or you can check out our 1-year review. We have 2 videos kind of showing the inside layout of our camper.
I can't get it out, but this one actually has a little bar piece here that attaches right here and makes this whole area here a bar if you needed the extra counter space.
Which in a truck camper, it's always preferred to have more counter space.
Spice rack. If any of you have these in your camper and you don't know exactly what they are, technically I think they're used as spice racks, salt, pepper, different things. I've seen some people use them as magazine racks. This one also has a Furon. Look at how big this refrigerator is, y'all.
Deep.
Look. That deep.
So you guys already checked out?
Same as with the freezer.
What is this?
Look.
This is the...
Deep.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Wow.
And that's the 811. I'm sorry. Yes, that's the 811.
Huge.
Do that again.
Huge. These also come with wine guard. If anybody has one, this is a gateway wine guard. Basically what it is it's a hotspot for your Wi-Fi. you can contact your internet provider and get a SIMS card.
Your cell phone provider. Or
Yeah, I'm sorry, your cell phone provider. You contact your cell phone provider and get a SIMS card, and your SIM card goes in here, and it's basically a hotspot.